Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about peaches, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with peaches. So if you're looking for some specific new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine peaches with almonds, cinnamon, and yogurt, or peaches with almonds, lemon, olive oil, and saffron. How about peaches with balsamic vinegar, lettuce, spinach, maple syrup, and olive oil? Or peaches with balsamic vinegar, mint, and ricotta? Or peaches with basil and mozzarella cheese? Or peaches with berries and lemon? Peaches with blueberries, lemon, and maple syrup? Peaches with blue cheese and hazelnuts? Peaches with cashew cream and balsamic vinegar, peaches with cherries and balsamic vinegar, and peaches with cilantro, ginger, and lime. Well, this concludes part one. This is a long list, and so I've broken it up into two parts. Stay tuned for part two. Take care now. Bye.